it's Kitty, and today I made some homemade slimes. These are both homemade. I've got a red glittery one and I've got a gold glittery one, well, yellowy. And yeah, we're gonna test out I'm gonna test out which one is the best. And if you the one that you like the best, vote in the comments. Hope you like this. And we're going to be starting with the gold glittery one. So let's get that out of the tub. Whoops. So this is what it looks like. I've been playing with this one quite a lot a minute ago, but then I've been playing with this yesterday and half of today. So, oops, my friend texted me. So yeah, this one's kind of stretchy, but then it breaks when you stretch it too much. I like this one. Now, I'm just gonna set that on top of here. And do some finger poking. I like this one because the sounds and it feels really nice. And I will be doing more slime videos of me making slime. Sorry about the noise, we're watching a film, but I'm doing this. Okay. I think I give this one a 8 out of 100. Actually, I will give this one a about like 90 out of 1,090. So let's put that back in the tub and test out the next one. If anything will ever come back. I like this one for sound too. Oh, it's dripping. And this is what this one looks like. You can see like the little bits of glitter, but not too well in the camera. Stuck on the thing now. This one's a bit sticky, but not too sticky. It's because it's been like overnight in my room because the heater was on. But I fixed it. Yeah, the slime won't come out of the lid. I love this one because it's like really stretchy. Well, kind of stretchy, but like really stretchy. What? I made it snap. I didn't even know it was coming though. And it's really nice. I like the sounds. Look, ready? Listen. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to get both of them out now. So here's, set this aside. And put this aside. Hopefully they don't connect. Okay, so this one. I actually made this one today and I made this one yesterday. I love them both. Okay, ready? Let's see who has the best slime bubble. We're going to be testing this one out first. Ready? Wow, that's awesome. Ready? That was awesome. Okay, next slime bubble. Oh, that's kind of awesome if you get like, look, it's a trampoline.
You want the phone kit?
No, why? I'm filming.
Sorry, baby.
It's okay. No, they kind of connected. But oh well, it's fine. I love this one. I don't know. I don't know which one to vote for. Vote in the comments which one's your favourite. Hope you like this video. I'm not done with the slime though. I love slime, if you didn't know. Oh, this one makes the best bubbles as well. And it has like little glitter in it. I love this one, especially. Now let's double check this one, see if it can make an even better bubble. That was okay, I guess. Oh, did you see that? I just split and made 2 bubbles. Let's try that again. Yeah, that didn't make a good one.
Why are there 2 compound members on the table?
Whoops. I like it when it makes bubbles because it makes awesome sounds. Oh, that didn't work. Epic fail. Let's try. Cheese. Cheese? I just said cheese. It kind of does look like cheese though. Epic fail. Because this one won't make a big enough bubble, we're just going to have to go for this one again. Everyone knows that bubbles like in slime are like epic and a new trend as well. Oh, that didn't work either.
How's it going?
Shush, I'm filming. Oh, and by the way, go and check out my brother's channel. What's it called?
I can't.
He can't even remember his own channel. He likes my slimes.
Jim.
She's not making any more slime, by the way. Well, we're not making any more slime anyway, because she's fed up. Did Mum fix it? Yeah. Why?
Did you fix it? Ew.
No, we made a new one. If you don't know what he's going on about, basically, this one was an epic fail before because we tried to make it butter slime, but it didn't work. And this, now we restarted and we just didn't put any Play-Doh in because Play-Doh made it funny. And basically, we restarted and put gold glitter in it so it looks better and stuff like that. This one was a good. This one was whoa! It didn't kind of. Oh, it like swirls down. It's cool. Okay, that's it for my video today. Peace. I hope you like this video and other videos that I make, and go check out my Musical.ly channel. It's named after someone in my family because I'm not allowed my actual name, but it's Lisa Raspberry. It's got a capital L-I-S-A, but not the I-S-A isn't capitals, and then R, a capital R for raspberry, and then yeah, that's my Musical.ly channel. I hope you like it. Bye. Click the like button, comment down below, and also comment. Don't forget to comment down below in the comment. Comment down below which slime you like better, this one or this one. Bye. Peace.